Hi there, I'm Stephanie Madden, and I'm here today to talk to you about a product called Liquid CMO. Now, Liquid CMO has radically reduced my symptoms of polymyalgia rheumatica. Polymyalgia rheumatica is an inflammatory disease that causes severe muscle pain and stiffness. It primarily affects the joint tissue, the shoulders, the hips, and as well as other joints throughout my body. I was diagnosed with this disease back in 2005. At the time I was 40 years old. It's been a very tough and trying few years. I went through several surgeries, had a total hip replacement in 2006. I suffered from severe pain, discomfort, fatigue, weight loss. Those are all symptoms of this disease. It's also an autoimmune deficiency suppressant disease, so I'm apt to get other infections, other illnesses quite easily. The only treatment that was available for me was high levels of steroids. And these steroids, after taking them, caused several side effects that were very difficult for me to deal with as well. They caused hypertension, weight gain, osteoporosis, diabetes, and these are things that I don't want to have to suffer from in the future. I have introduced by a friend who started to tell me a little bit about Liquid CMO and how his results he was getting. I was a little hesitant in the beginning. I've tried lots of different homeopathic remedies, herbal supplements. I've been on pain medications for several years, which made things very difficult. I've been taking the Liquid CMO now for exactly 1 month. Yesterday was 30 days. In the first 3 days, this amazing product gave me back the energy that I had lost. I was able to get out of bed without the stiffness, without the severe muscle pain. I was limited to having to have assistance and someone helping me take my clothing off. That has not been the issue. After about 6 days of taking this product, I started to resume normal physical activity, and for me, that consisted of just cleaning my house, being able to be productive in my own environment, enjoying going out in public, being out with friends. It's allowed me to resume a life of activity which I thought I could no longer be available to do. About 10 days ago, I actually dusted off my treadmill. I've been walking on my treadmill about 15 minutes, 3 days a week. My daughter and I went down and joined the gym together, and we've begun to go and do a light 20-minute workout a couple times a week, as well as soaking in the jacuzzi. This product has gone in and lowered my inflammation level tremendously. I no longer have to take the high doses of prednisone. I've been able to go down to 5 milligrams, and I'm hoping with improvement of continuing to take Liquid CMO that I will go down to a much minimal, lower dosage, as well as perhaps even going off. I am happy to report that I am completely off all pain medication. There are days where I'll take an ibuprofen, but nothing like the past. Nothing where I was living on high doses of narcotics, as well as maybe several 800 milligrams a day. This is nothing short of a miracle for me. It has now provided me a life in an amazing short period of time. My family is now involved as far as taking the product because there is a disease that runs in our family that's a predisposed joint deterioration disease. So I now have a sister that has just started taking the product, as well as my 80-year-old mother. I've heard wonderful results about this product with other rheumatoid and arthritis type diseases, and I encourage anyone who knows anybody else or yourselves, if you're suffering, give it a shot. Go to www.liquidcmo.com to find out more information and find out more testimonies from other folks. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me.